Okay, so we have week 7, Monday, quarter 3, math 7. And remember the different equations. You have standard form. So remember what standard form, where's the x and y located?
The x and y are located before the
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. There's no b on standard form. The x and y are located on the left side of the equation. Do you see that? Do you see the equation sign right there?
yeah.
Slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. What are the two things that you need?
And boundary.
M, which is a slope, and b, which is a y-intercept. Another thing with standard form, what can you not have?
That's in negative numbers.
So if you have like a negative 1/3 in the front, how do you get rid of the fraction and the negative? What would you have to do?
It becomes a positive 1/3 when you move it, and then
Okay, I'm just saying this is already on the side. What if it's like already on the side? Like negative 1/3x plus 2y equals 4. How would you get rid of the fraction and the negative? What would you do?
I move 2y.
No, you don't need to move anything. X and y is already on the left side. You just need to get rid of the fraction and the negative. What would you do to get rid of the fraction and the negative?
By the denominator.
What am I multiplying?
-3.
So I multiply by -3 on everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Point slope form. This is another one, right? So those are the three different equations. Number one, standard form. Number two, y-intercept or slope-intercept form. And number three, which has point slope form, right?
Yeah.
So for problem 1 to 6, write the equation in standard form. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So you start, this is not standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c, right?
Yeah.
Why would you do that if you know standard form is like literally right there? Does that look like that? So what's given to you, you first write it in slope intercept form, right?
Yeah.
I don't understand why you didn't bother doing that. I mean, did you not check? Then, what do I do? What's standard form again?
Ax.
So let's do that. You wrote this as y is equal to 2/3x minus 6. Now rewrite this in standard form. I was hoping you'd make a little bit more progress on that. Do you understand? You didn't even answer the question correctly. How do I get rid of the -3 here? The 3 and the negative.
Multiply it
By what?
by -3.
So what's your answer in standard form? Is this all due tomorrow?
Yeah.
Did she go over this in class?
No, but I did like some of the bottom half in class.
Okay, but I'm saying like 1 to 6 is completely wrong. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So next time, let's pay a little bit more attention to what you're doing. Number 2, this was not as, how is this number 2 different than number 1?
You're given points.
So what do I need to find? What are the two things you need in slope intercept form? So what am I missing? Really? Your slope is right there. So what are you missing? Find B. When you find out, let me know what it is. This is going to take a long time because you didn't bother finishing the question. You understand why I'm a little bit irritated with you right now?
Yeah.
Because I didn't want to spend all this time doing your helping with science and this.
Yeah.
You're 2 hours at home by yourself. What were you doing? I thought you said you already submitted it.
Yeah, but I can still look at it. Or I can still do some edits. She hasn't graded.
I got my work right there in the box. You're gonna kind of look through it and then you're gonna have to just copy it down because I don't have enough time for you to catch up with this. That's why I asked you when you have time at home without Taekwondo, you work on this and you get most of it right. Because we worked on it over the weekend, right? So I'm gonna print this out again. You're gonna be working on it over this week to catch up with us. But I don't have all the time in the world to wait for you to finish this. Because Dad's not home today. I don't have to help your brothers and sisters. So copy it down. You do understand I don't have all the time in the world just help you with freaking homework all the time. The next time I suggest you do better. And then when I gave you the worksheet over the weekend, I expect that to be done. Yesterday when I came back home and I was trying to go over it with you, you are not done. Do you understand? Don't just copy what I'm doing. Make sure you figure it out yourself. Okay, question number 4. What do you need to find? B, correct? So find B. Okay, first off, look over here. This is wrong. Slope is not 1/2 or negative 1/2. I don't know what you're doing there, but that's incorrect. You know when you're done with number 5. Number 5 is the same thing as number 4. Okay, take a look at number 6. What's different with number 6 and all the other ones? Both points. So what do you need to find first? What's your slope formula? Okay. Is that -5/7 or just +5/7? Okay. If you have them side by side, here's the trick. You just take the last number here, subtract that number. That goes on top. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And you take the x and you subtract that first number. So find the slope. And then from there, you're going to pick a point, right?
Yeah.
Both of these points are kind of hard. I don't care which point you pick. It's going to be the same step. So first step, find the slope. Second step, find B. Do you understand? So I picked the 8, -5. You could pick whatever you want, but regardless, it's not going to be easy. because this is going to be a really crappy setup. Oh, this is really crappy. 15, 16, 5, 6. When you're done, let me know, okay? Do you have any questions on this one? Did you end up with 12x plus 13y equals 31?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, number 7. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. Since that's in slope-intercept form, first thing you want to do is you want to write it down. That's y equals mx plus b. What are the two things you need? Yeah, so make sure you know that, okay? All right, so number 7, what do you need to find? And then that's what you need, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, so I don't understand how you wrote that as an answer. That's not even an answer. You put -2, that's not an answer. That's a y value. Y is not equal to 5x minus 2. You need to plug it into this equation. Y is -2. M is 5. X is 0 plus b. Actually, in this case, it is -2. So it is correct. Just kidding. But where's your work? I don't understand how you got it if you didn't have your work. But you need to show the work on your. Where's the graph paper they're going to be stapling this to? Okay, then go get it then. Actually, you know what? You can do it later. Make sure you staple onto this. You understand? I want to show the work on here.
Okay.
Number 8, what do you need to find? What is your B? -6 is good. That looks good. Yep. That looks correct. Number 9. Let's see. One over 4 over 46. Your B is a -3. That's good. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Good job. All right. Move on, number 10. Oh, those ones should be easy. Good. That's good. Okay, number 11. What do you need to find first?
I need to find the slope.
Slope, right?
Yeah.
Remember how I showed you?
Yeah.
So do the same thing. -2 minus 5. What's in the bottom?
-1.
Good. And what's your slope?
1.
7 equals 1. Good. Now what do you need to find?
Now I need to find my B.
So if you're going to go ahead and find B, remember it's 5 equals 1 times 6. I use this one mainly because it's all positive. I don't want to deal with the negative. Okay, even the numbers are a little bit bigger. Plus B. B is -1. What did you get for What did you get for B?
-1.
Good. So your equation is y is equal to x minus 1, correct?
Yeah.
Good. Awesome. All right. Number 12 is pretty easy. Where's your x though? Why did you put a 2 over 4? Is that minus what? I don't know what that is. So change that, please. Go onto your Google Doc and find that. Cindy? Your Google Doc. All right, we're done with this one. You go ahead and start working on number 13. I'll come back and I'll go over it again. Not the Saturday, next one. All right, so number 13, write the equation in Poinslow form. So Poinslow form, write the equation down first. And you're gonna have to memorize this because I don't think she's gonna give that to you. Right?
Yep.
There's no y-intercept. Notice that. Yes? So what do you need?
I need my X, Y.
You need to have M, but no B, right? Okay. All right. So here, what do you need to find for number 13? What do you need to find?
Okay, so what I need to find for M is formula y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. So yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go to a really nice wine party in 2 weeks and then have lots of really good food. You wanna come with me, Anna? You sure?
Or it depends.
Why?
I don't know. It'll depend on how I'm feeling. I've been
Okay.
I can't sleep.
Okay. You might have a little bit of anxiety, which is normal. Okay. Okay, so once you find the slope, which is 1, okay,
Yeah.
you're gonna plug it into this equation, you're gonna use a point. Do you see how the point on the pick is gonna be this yellow point right here? But when you plug it in, it's gonna be this part and this part that you plug it in. Make sure you get that right. And also, don't forget to plug in the M.
That's like the only thing she told us.
So y minus 2 equals 1 times x minus 5, right? So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna distribute the 1, right?
Yeah.
So once you distribute it, you have a y minus 2 equals x minus 5. Nothing changes, right?
Yeah.
And then last step, solve for y. So that means you just add the 2 on both sides.
Yeah.
So y equals x minus 3. That is your answer. Okay?
Yep.
All right, good. Now you do number 14, 15, and then we will check. We're almost there. We have like 5 more questions. All right, so number 14, what do we first do?
So
Okay, what did you find? You negative 1? Okay, so go back and try again. It's 2 minus negative 3. Yeah, but you were close. But at the end, not close enough. I'm not rude.
you're being honest too. You're just rude.
I'm sorry if I hurt your feeling. You should go with me to this party. It's at Aubrey's house, so Alexa's sister's house. I think you've been there before. They have like she does like this really beautiful charcuterie board. You see that table right there? She covers the entire thing there with charcuterie. Like that entire thing is charcuterie.
Oh,
You should come with me. If you're not gonna come with me, I'm gonna take Maddie and Quentin.
I might go. I don't know.
It is like so fancy,
It
yeah.
depends on like how.
That's fine. I'm like I don't wanna miss it, so
You don't have to miss it because
I'm not gonna miss it because I know you don't have to go, but I'll take Emma will definitely go because Ren will be there, and then I'll take Maddie if you want to go.
I'm sure they might do Alexis things.
Huh?
I don't know who Alexis.
Ren's mom.
Oh,
Do you remember that party that we went to for Ren's birthday? It was at her aunt's house.
no.
You don't remember? It's the one where there's like a bunch of pineapple blow up stuff.
I don't. Okay, I remember like you getting those pineapple stuff, but I never went there.
Yeah, maybe I didn't take him. Maybe I took Maddie.
Yeah, no, you took
I
Emma
know I
and
definitely took Maddie once, but I think I took Quentin once.
you took Emma and Maddie, and I think to but you did not take me.
Okay. All right. Did you get negative 1?
Yes.
Okay, once you get negative 1, look up here. Pick a point and plug in. I pick that point, plug it into the equation. Do you see that? Once you plug it in, what's the next step?
After you plug it in, you
Distribute, and then you solve for. Yep. So go ahead and do that.
Okay.
All right. Last one. So number 15. Oh crap, that's not the last one. So fourth one. I have 3 more to go after this one. All right, same thing, right? So you don't need me to explain it to you. Find the slope. And then plug into the equation, pick a point. Oh, this one has a 0, which is great because you always want to pick a point with a 0 or positive numbers, right?
Except for the slope is a fraction.
That's okay because guess what? You can deal with fractions, not a big deal. I know you can't. So yeah, better not deal with fractions in life and no negative numbers. This Grayson can't do it. So sad. So sad. This is the time when I just want to take a video of you and post it on TikTok and say sad, so sad.
It's just like millennials. Gen Z doesn't like millennials.
Oh, okay. Well, I still like you.
Okay, well, I like you too.
Oh,
You're the only millennial I like.
Okay, but not dad.
Dad's more of a Gen X person. Though he's a millennial, he's a really early.
Okay. Over 2. That's 2. Oh, actually, this one's pretty easy because it all cancels. You can go, baby. Go ahead. Make sure you use a poo. That's definitely a poo poo dance. And you gotta graph it, yes? Aren't you glad that we practiced this weekend? Because if you didn't practice, you will not be understanding half of this.
No,
Yeah, I know. It really sucks though. Put this right here so that I know this is a new unit. Okay. But over there. So where's the notes that she wrote down today? Is it here?
yeah.
These are all the notes you wrote down?
This,
Uh-huh.
She didn't have any pencil in the class, nor did anybody else have a still pencil, so I had to write with it.
Do you have any pencils? Do you need some pencils?
No, I have pencils in my backpack.
Oh, okay, but did you put them in there, or why didn't you have any today?
No, I took these notes like Thursday.
No, but what notes did you take today? Are there
She
notes
just
today?
went over the examples. I used that sheet that I had.
This one?
No,
If you're not,
the sheet that you gave me that you printed out from the PowerPoint.
oh, she just went over the PowerPoint.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
these.
okay.
I use these.
Okay, let me have those things from the PowerPoint. No, give me the ones that from the PowerPoint. Go ahead. Where are the two that I printed out, the extra ones? Where are the ones we went over in class together? I know I printed out another one for you.
I know.
It's okay, don't worry about it. I got this. Do you know where the other one went? It's the color one, isn't it? Are these the same ones? Yes?
I think.
Okay. All right, keep going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Did everybody else get a good grade on the notebook check?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Okay.
But yeah, everybody got the notebook.
Your graders, you want with this notebook?
These are in the notebook.
Oh, that's pretty clear.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Nobody.
Well, I think everybody, doesn't it?
No. You can eat math or science class as long as you're not as long as you're not eating during an experiment or
Is it just he was
laptop.
making a little mess?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Did you finish wrapping yet?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Understand how you wrap it? Okay. Wait. Is that my pen? Did I leave a pen over there? I'm missing a fucking pen. Like, do you not see me missing a black pen here? It's not in here. Is it? I tried this right here. Okay. Okay, well, it's not working now. What is happening? Okay, so for number 16, you need to find what?
Okay, so I need to these.
You okay, Em? Did you go poo?
Even if I to wash your hands.
Did you wash your hand?
Well, okay.
Hey, don't make her feel bad. You did the same thing when you were little. Don't be a jerk.
No,
Oh no. No, you didn't.
I did.
You guys are all the gross little human beings.
I did.
No, you didn't. Or we'll just say that you did. How about that?
Mhm.
Take a look what I did. Take a look what you did. There's a fraction there, so it's gonna be careful with that.
I thought you subtracted 2 by 8 because, like,
Human. Oh, no, no. I fucked up. Shit. God damn. Hold on, let me go back. I had to erase all of this shit. That's freaking crazy. That pisses me off. All that freaking work for nothing. Okay, all right, let's go back. That's what crap happens. All right, so this is 2 minus 8, right? And then 3 minus 5. Minus 8 is negative 6.
so it's not easier.
It's actually easier because then that'll give you a positive 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So m equals 3, y minus 2. The hell is going on? Y minus 2. Oh, shit. Oh my God, I hate it when this fucking happens. Okay, there we go. All right, y minus 2 equals 3 times x minus 3, right?
Yes.
Then you have to distribute and solve for y, right?
Yes.
So y minus 2 equals 3x minus 9, right? So then y equals 3x plus 2 is minus 7, right? That's your answer. Cool. Ready to move on? Okay. What's your slope for number 17?
Okay, so
You be careful with this one because I have a bunch of negative numbers. Okay, that's okay. So keep solving it. Okay, I think that concludes everything.